If some of your Android apps suddenly disappeared from your home screen or app drawer, don't worry, this is a very common issue. Most of the time, the apps are not deleted, they are simply disabled in your phone settings. In this quick 2026 guide, I'll show you how to restore them easily step by step. First, unlock your phone and go to the Settings app. This is where all system controls are managed. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down carefully and look for Apps, Applications, or App Management, depending on your device model. Tap on it to open the full list of installed apps. Now, in the top corner of the screen, you may see a menu icon, 3 dots. Tap on it and select Disabled Apps or Show Disabled Apps. Here you will see a list of all apps that have been turned off on your device. These apps are still on your phone, they are just not active. Now find the specific app you want to restore. Tap on it to open the app info page. On this screen, you will see detailed options like storage, permissions, and usage. Look for the Enable button at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on it, and the app will be instantly restored and activated again. Once enabled, go back to your home screen or app drawer, and you should be able to find the app again and use it normally. That's it. No technical skills needed. Just a few simple taps and your missing apps are back on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.